All right, today I got some ceramic tile in an apartment complex. Nothing too big. I got this in the bathroom. We're not using our truck mount. It's like 20 degrees out there and I really didn't feel like running any hoses. We got the bathroom floor. I'm gonna do this the old fashioned way. With some elbow grease, some equipment, and my Oreck. It can be done. You don't need a tile spinner for this. I mean, attached to the truck mount makes life a heck of a lot easier, but all right guys, I'm gonna stop prepping up. I'm gonna start vacuuming this floor and give it a go. Stand by. All right guys, so I'm putting down my towel and grout cleaner behind the fridge. Yeah, I had to cut that video short. When I first came in here, I had the cleaner show up. She wanted to do everything in here, but I told her I can't be working with somebody else unless she wants to come back tomorrow and just mop the floor after on the way out, because she has to clean this whole apartment unit, so it's impossible. She's trying to clean the sinks, the fridges, and stuff like that. Personally, I don't know why they chose two people here the same day, but I'm not gonna argue, but she went to another unit to go clean in the meantime while we do this. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish spraying the bathroom, and I was just made aware there's another bathroom in the back, so that's gonna be done as well, but I'll take video of that too. All right, guys, stand by. All right, guys, so here's the second bathroom. So the bathroom originally wasn't put on the work order. They just wanted the kitchen done, but they were in here painting yesterday in that other bathroom, and then they asked me if I can try that bathroom out, give it a clean. I just sprayed this one too as well. So, I mean, no guarantee, especially with paint. I'm gonna probably take a scraper to the ones that don't come out, but I'm not gonna go too aggressive because I don't want to damage the tile. But yeah, all right, guys, stand by. All right, guys, so like I said, if you don't have a tile and grout spinner, it can be done. You need, obviously clean the floor first, sweep and vacuum it, whatever you're gonna do. Product, tile or grout brush, or any brush that can get within the grout lines. Wet and dry vac. Got a mop bucket and everything there with fresh water to rinse. Product and Oreck if you have one of these, or any 175-inch style machine. Definitely make life easier. All right, so scrub has been done and extracted. So with my solution, I sprayed it again because it's drying too quick in here. We're trying to avoid it drying too fast because it leaves footprints and residue. And yeah, I'm trying to reactivate the product again. So I'm gonna do a little touch up certain areas with a brush, extract this again, and then we're gonna give this a good rinse and then head over to the bathrooms. All right, guys, so this is done. I already rinsed this like 3 times already. It's nice and clean, it's drying. So on to the bathroom. All right, guys, so this bathroom has been done. I scraped up most of the paint. We got 90% of it off with a scraper and my paint remover solution. The rest is not coming out, but all right, guys, so we just finished up this bathroom as well. Putting everything away and we're gonna get out of here. All right, guys, so I appreciate you guys watching. Happy New Year to everybody. I'll catch you guys next one, all right? Peace.